This is a colorful salad made with a lot of colorful vegetables. We have all the different colored capsicums finely chopped, some tomatoes with the seeds removed. This is organic cucumber. This is boiled potato, and this is paneer. The paneer can be either homemade or it can be bought from the store. Ensure that the paneer is cold so that it can be cut into small cubes. This is the seasoning of chaat masala and chili powder and some lemon juice for flavoring. All we need to now do is we can either mix the entire portion, or I am going to take a few spoons of all of this. This salad is very healthy because it combines all the colored vegetables. All of them are in the raw form, and it is packed with protein in the form of paneer, carbohydrates in the form of boiled potato, and you have all the fiber from the green vegetables. The quantity can be as you wish to make. Before adding the spices, I'll just blend it in. I'll give it a good mix to ensure that all the vegetables are mixed evenly. You can even add chopped onions or corn kernels or any other raw vegetable, or even fruits can be added to this. We are not adding fruits to this salad. It is only vegetables and some paneer. I will now add the spice powders. Mix it well so that it gets coated on the vegetable. And finally, I'll add the lemon juice. You will notice that I have not included salt because chaat masala already is slightly salty, and you would prefer to keep the salad low in salt. So it is as simple as this. Your salad is now ready. You can refrigerate it and have it cold, or you can have it as soon as you prepare it. This is a good snack, and it is very wholesome. If need be, you can even top it with dry cornflakes or any other dry crunchy snack to kind of increase the crispiness of it, because ideally this is a soft salad. Serve it as you wish, and you can garnish it with coriander leaves or even mint leaves.